Hello friends, this is Dr. Deepak Chaudhary, having more than 34 years of experience in the logistics, supply chain management and import-export trade. I am having my own Indus group of companies with hand-on experience in this logistics sector for several years. Today, we are going to see the basic of logistic, what is logistic and how it is important for the industry. So the definition of logistic is the process of coordinating and moving resources, material, inventory and equipment from one location to storage at the desired destination in a most cost effective way. The most important is the cost effectiveness. The term logistic is originated in the military at the time of war, referring to the movement of equipment and supplies to troops in the field. So it was most crucial that time also the logistic, because providing in time was very important. It's a part of supply chain management, friends. The goal of logistic is to meet the customer's requirements in a timely is very important, and cost effective. Both the factors are very important. And logistic covers procurement, inventory management, distribution, warehousing, because distributing the goods, warehousing the goods and transportations of the goods and services. Now, logistic management involves identifying the prospective distributors and suppliers, at the same time to finding out how efficient and easier way to reach to the destination. The logistic involves manufacturing firms, merchandising firms, transportation firms, shipping lines, airlines, air cargo carriers, public warehouses, cold chain management systems, material handling equipment. Now, the 7 R's are very important in the logistic in order to be the efficient logistic. What are these? The right product in the right quantity, in the right condition. The condition is very important, and right place, at the right time, to the right customer, at the right price. So if you see, these are the 7 R very important, and if they are implemented properly, then you will end up in a very effective and cost effective and efficient logistic management. Now, there are various modes of the logistics. Why? Because when you have to transport the goods or the services, there cannot be only more mode. Many of us think that it is only the sea freight by which it is transported, or by the sea, but there are four major modes. What are they? By road, by rail, by sea and by air. Now, all these four modes are very important. In many countries, each and every destination or the city or the place or the factories there do not have the nearer access to the port. Then in that case, these inland container depot, that is called ICDs, or CFS, container freight stations. What are they? They are basically as good as a dry port, where all the facilities which are available otherwise in the seaport are available here except the sea. So this is the convenience of the trade, that they can have all the facilities though the sea is not near to them or port is not near to them. Now in this case, there are more than one mode has to be implemented. Just take for example Nagpur in India. Now it is far away located for any of the nearest port. So what are the mode? From Nagpur, any exporter having a factory or importer having a factory there, he can stuff his goods there in the factory, take it by rail or by road to the nearest port, and then from there it can be transported or by sea to the any of the country of his destination, maybe Hamburg in Germany. So basically, friends, this involves the lot of modes, and that is what called the multi-mode transport operators are required. For this, Ministry of Surface Transport has authorized the MTOs, that is called multimodal transport operator, and they are authorized to issue a MTD. What is the MTD? MTD is a multimodal transport document. So it is as good as a bill of lading, which is a negotiable instrument. So any exporter or importer can negotiate this MTD document, and exporter, suppose he is doing it from his factory, there itself logistic provider can provide him the MTD document, and he can negotiate and he can get the money. So MTD is an internationally recognized and accepted document. The buyer in the overseas country also recognize these documents, and he honors for the payment purpose. So basically, this is the basic of the logistic. What way, what mode you can do. There are so many in the logistic world. There are so many opportunities nowadays. right from the employment to the business opportunities there. Right now, I'm just touching on the basic things, and I'm sure in my other presentation in my video channel, you log in and you will come to know how many opportunities there are in the logistic world. So friends, I must thank you for watching and look forward to see you in my next presentation. Thank you.